Good evening and welcome to Purposefully Passionate About Properties, coming to you live from Choprop Studios in Centurion, your trusted source for everything real estate, both local and international. I'm Sona Ramlal, your property practitioner, and here are the top stories making headlines for real estates today. South Africa real estate headlines. Affordable housing projects boom in Gauteng growth corridors. Cape Town Winelands luxury estate offers lifestyle and investment returns. Dubai zero property tax and high rental yields continue to attract global investors. Spain coastal cities bounce back with golden visa appeal. With urban migration and middle-class expansion, such as Centurion, Midrand, and West Rand, are seen rapid developments of affordable housing estates. Government incentives and private developers' partnerships make these properties attractive for buy-to-let investors, offering steady rental yields and long-term appreciation potential. High net worth buyers are flocking to Stellenbosch, Franschhoek, and Paarl for luxury homes on wine estates. These properties combine lifestyle appeal, strong tourism driven, short term rental demands, and stable capital growth, making them an appealing mix of pleasure and profit. With no property tax to strategic locations of world-class infrastructures. Dubai offers gross rental yields of 6 to 8% in prime areas. Upcoming mega projects and continued expat demands make it a hotspot for South African investors seeking strong ROI in USD-linked rentals. Cities like Malanga, Alicante, and Valencia are benefiting from renowned tourism, foreign location trends, and the Golden Visa program. Properties are here relatively affordable compared to other EUs. Hotspots with growing potential for both short-term holidays, lets, and long-term capital growth. Now it's time for one of our favorite house tours, where we shine our spotlight on some of the most captivating properties currently on the market, guided by our top tier agents.
Hi everyone, Nadia here from Choprop. I'm here in Alder Village Estate in Alderain, showcasing a brand new and beautiful 4-bedroom home. Everyone loves new, right? But don't take my word for it. Come see for yourself.
Let me show you a magic. Do you like it? It's a 3-bedroom house with en suite, open plan of a kitchen, lounge, and dining room. If you are interested, kindly contact me on 082 402 8574.
Ladies and gentlemen, one of the most stunning security estates here in Centurion. The Elder Glen real estate consists of basketball arena, walking paths, as well as tennis courts and squash courts. And the houses are for rental or investment or indeed to live in. Contact me for more information. Do you love basketball? Indoor sports arena? Do you have children? The biggest of Elder Glen's 3 swimming pools. This is a cricket oval with an adjoining clubhouse. And this is Elder Glen's bird park. And this, what you see, is Elder Glen.
Hi everyone, I'm Farhana from Choprop International. We're showcasing a beautiful penthouse today. Whether you're interested in buying, selling or investing, I think this one would be for you. And to view this beautiful penthouse in the exclusive house and area, come with me. Should you be interested in buying, selling, or just investing, contact me on 067 802 6832.
Hi guys, it's Siva Pakri from Choprop International, your property practitioner at your service. Guys, I've got an amazing property for you. Beautiful, stunning and newly refurbished property. It got a spacious kitchen, lounge, dining. But let me not say more. Come through, come have a look. Hey guys, have you enjoyed that video? If you have, this property is going for sale. Please give me a call on 082 492 0583 or DM me now.
That's all from us tonight at Choprop Studios in Centurion. Whether you are buying, selling, or just dreaming, we're here to fuel your passion for property. Join us next week on Purposefully Passionate about properties as we uncover more investments insights, stunning homes, and faces behind the properties that move South Africa. Until then, stay inspired and remember we are purposefully passionate about property.